Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Kyle.
Hey, and I'm Johnny, and welcome to
Rise Inc.
As you guys all know, we just put out a video a couple days ago regarding our Rise Idol contest, and we've been in the works of about a year now, Kyle?
Yeah, about a whole year now.
Yeah, and now we're able to bring it live and out there to you guys, and we want to showcase your talents. Now, Kyle, people have been commenting and asking us how and when this all works and how to enter. How do they do that?
Well, guys, the due date for your guys' entry is May 23rd. And that includes your application and your videos.
Yes.
Now, videos, we need you guys to send us 2 separate videos.
Yes. Your first video is just going to be your name, your age, and where you're from.
Oh, and the second video, we need you guys to live record this video and also in a landscape horizontal format. Now, why? We don't want you guys sending us a video where your audio and or your voice has been distorted or edited.
Yes. And we also want people to see you for who you are, and that way, you know, people can just enjoy you for seeing your video.
What are we giving?
Yes. We will be giving away a total of $500. First place is going to get $300. Second place will get $150. And third place will get $50.
Oh, there's 2 more, huh?
Yes. Oh,
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So these next 2 prizes, the first one is going to be our People's Choice Award.
Yeah,
Now,
love it.
depending on if we get 20 to 15 finalists in our second and third round, we're going to post up your guys' pictures on Facebook for all of Facebook to vote for People's Choice. And also, our final award is chosen by us over here at Rise Inc. It's going to be the Rise Board Award.
Yes. So, now that you guys have the update on what's going on, please like and share this video with all your friends and family.
Oh, and we also like to give a big shout out and
Yes,
thanks
big
to
shout out.
Office Guys
Thank you, Office
and
Guys.
BLV Entertainment
Thank you, BLV
for
Entertainment.
helping us bring this message to you guys today. And yeah.
Rise.